You have one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. Your personal protective equipment, or PPE, helps protect you from on-the-job hazards. In order to deliver optimal performance, the components of your PPE, turnout gear, helmet, hood, gloves, and boots, require regular inspection, maintenance, and cleaning. There are two types of inspection: routine and advanced. A routine inspection is the responsibility of the individual firefighter. Specially trained personnel perform advanced inspections. Advanced inspections need to be conducted at least once a year. Your department should maintain a record of the annual advanced inspections and keep them on file. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to perform a routine inspection. A routine inspection should be performed at least every 6 months and after each use of your PPE, regardless of the date of your last inspection. It's highly recommended that you perform a routine inspection before starting your shift. It only takes a few minutes. The goal of the inspection is to be proactive in discovering damage or wear that could compromise the performance of your equipment. If you detect damage to your PPE during a routine inspection, notify the proper department personnel immediately. Never wear gear you suspect is damaged. One of the biggest threats to your turnout gear is exposure to light, whether it is generated by the sun or fluorescent fixtures. Prolonged exposure to light can severely reduce the strength of fabric and seams in your gear and greatly impair its ability to provide protection. Discolored fabric is one symptom of overexposure to light. If you observe discoloration in either your outer shell or on the face cloth of your thermal liner, contact the proper department personnel immediately. You should also review your storage practices. It's important to note that exposure to light can also degrade the seams of your gear without leaving visible signs of damage. That's why it's important to examine all seams on all layers of your turnout clothing for loose threads, breaks, skip stitches, or weaknesses. Pay very close attention to seams in high-stress areas, such as shoulders, elbows, crotch, and knees. The best way to deal with exposure to light is through prevention. Store your PPE in a dark, dry, well-ventilated room. Never store protective clothing in direct sunlight, indirect sunlight, or in fluorescent light. Never store your bunker gear in a lighted bay area, the back of a car, or near a window. Never hang protective clothing out in the sun to dry. It only takes a few days of exposure to light to severely weaken and damage the protective fabrics of your gear. All inspections require clean gear. Dirt can hide signs of damage. If your bunker gear is soiled, it needs to be cleaned. Spot cleaning can be performed on small localized stains. If the soiling is more extensive, it will require machine washing or washing by a professional cleaning service. Whether you're spot cleaning or machine washing, never use chlorine or a chlorine-based product. Chlorine will degrade the protective fibers of your turnout. Turnout gear should be cleaned at least every 6 months. It, and all PPE components, should be cleaned immediately if they have been contaminated or exposed to blood, bodily fluids, tars, fuels, oils, resins, paints, acids, or any other hazardous materials. Check your department's standard operating procedures or manufacturer's instructions on how to clean and what detergents are suitable to use.